Step over there for me.
Okay.
Step out for me. You don't have nothing that's gonna poke me, stick me, or cut me?
No, sir.
All right. Stop! Stop running! Stop running! Stop running! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Let go of the fence.
Let go of the fence.
Stop.
No, I can't. Why are you doing this? Why are you taking me to jail?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you taking me to jail?
Did I say I was taking you to jail?
Why are you taking
You understand you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one. Won't be appointed to you. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime. You understand those rights?
Listen.
All right.
Why am I going to jail? What did I do? Sir, what did I do to cause you to get arrested? Please tell me.
What did she run for? Man, this girl took off running. I don't know why, sis.
Why'd you lie to me?
I'm scared.
Why'd you run? What are you scared for? Put your feet in.
Okay, so why are you running? What are you scared of? Never done what? Who said you were getting arrested? We were just talking to you. So did you run because you have bench warrants or something?
Simple, babe.
Simple battery. Okay, we don't take people to jail for misdemeanors usually, okay? Usually we allow you an opportunity to go turn yourself in and get it straight. When you go down to the courthouse, they'll assign you a new court date, okay? But you made things a whole lot worse by running, okay?
Using my report system, I was able to find she's a suspect in a theft. It was a stolen iPhone, about $140. So it's just a misdemeanor. So I'm gonna cite her for that, issue her a court date for the theft case, and then I'll issue her one for today for resisting. Step out. You're not gonna run again, are you? We'll walk over there to the front. Huh?
When they issue a temp tag, okay, it's going to have, this is not the temp tag that they issue. This is obviously a counterfeit temp tag, okay? One, the number sequence is off. Two, it doesn't have the adhesive strip on it. Three, it's the wrong size and it shouldn't fade like that, okay? So you can be issued a citation for license plate required. According to the DMV, it doesn't have insurance because it hasn't been registered, okay?
By signing, it's not admission of guilt. You're saying to see the copy of the citation, being advised in court date. If you don't show up, it's bench warrant for your arrest. I suggest you take care of whatever you got to take care of in between that date. All right? Sign right here by the X.